In 2012, DISA started a pilot to see how could we use these new mobility devices, smartphones and tablets, right, beyond what we were doing, for years, and that was using them for telephony, email, and calendaring, right? So today, I'm proud to say we run the largest managed mobility programs in the DOD, currently with over 100,000 customers. So our customers, who are they? Oh, I'm sorry, let me hit the next slide. Next slide, please. So our customers, who are they? In the DOD, they are the services, co-coms, and agencies. And on the unclass side, that's who they are. And on the classified side, same customers in addition to non-DOD feds. So these services consist entirely of commercial products and services that are integrated into service level provider offerings, right? So we sell our services back to these customers. Our unclassed service offering, DMUC, Defense Mobility Unclassed Capability, is comparable to what you would see in any type of corporate organization, right? You have access to internet-based services, and you also have access back to corporate information services, in this case, DOD information services on the NIPRNet. And our classified program is based on the standards of Commercial Solutions for Classified program, right? Also providing commercially available devices, right? And enterprise mobility management that gets you access to classified information services, right? In this case, classified telephony and classified email and other data services. All right, this FY, we will actually award 2 managed service provider contracts. And these contracts are expected to deliver high-class, resilient, carrier-class mobility solutions that form the basis of our programs. So if you see here on the slide, right, MES-U, Mobility Enterprise Services Unclassified, will actually bring the DMUC service, and MES-C will bring the DMCCS and DMCCTS service. Next slide, please. So going forward, we're looking for partners to continue the excellence of our offerings that we have today and deliver high-quality innovations at the speed of mobility. So you see up here, we have a roadmap of new products that we intend to deliver. However, we know also to keep up with the pace of mobility, we're going to need the flexibility to acquire solutions that either don't exist today or solutions that we just don't know exist, right? So we are looking for innovations, and our contracts will have strong innovation clauses that will help our awardees bring us that innovation. This past spring, we actually issued a classified tablet pilot, 25 devices that were the CSFC approved custom baseline, right, of a device. We were actually at a crossroads of having a device that was approved but actually out of production, waiting on the device that will be approved and was in production. So those devices went to top DOD officials. That program has been so successful. I mean, just out of the 25, I probably answer 25 emails a week asking for more devices. And we will actually have that device available in February as a service offering. Earlier, you saw a video on continuous multi-factor authentication, right? Those technologies will have to be integrated into our mobility solutions going forward. So on the unclassified side, what are we looking for, right? More capabilities, right? We really want to go after, as Mr. Carpenter said, platform agnostic, right? If it works on the desktop or some other form factor, it needs to work on the mobility device. And also expanded cyber capabilities. On the classified side, also more capabilities, right? We really wanted DOD customers to be useful outside of the office. In addition to new products and new capabilities, we're looking for partners that have a strong competency in service delivery, right? Our program has seen recent spikes in new customers. When I took over the program about 18 months ago on the unclassed side, we had about 45,000 customers. Right? And in that time, we've more than doubled to over 100,000 customers, right? And a lot of that is attributed to really the softer side of the program, and that was working on things such as fulfillment that we had challenges in, right? And also customer relations management. Next slide, please. Okay, so our MESC RFP will actually be released this quarter. By show of hands, how many in here knows what a CSFC Trusted Integrator certification is? Okay, excellent. Next, on November 16th, we're actually going to hold an industry day for the MESC acquisition, right? We've extended invitations via emails and telephone calls to all the CSFC Trusted Integrators. And at that industry day, we want to give you an opportunity to understand our architecture, to understand CSFC, how we use it, how we implement it, and where we're going. We want you to see our challenges and get a little bit more insight into our roadmap. At that industry day, participants will have an opportunity to ask questions in open forums, and then also one-on-one with myself and my chief engineer. Our MESU RFP is scheduled to be released the second quarter of this FY. So my team will be available today for the remainder at our program table, and I'll take any questions that you may have now.
Yes, sir. Can you expand on how and why you desire to expand mobility solutions?
Yes, right, interesting. Mobility is the future, right? If you, you can just kind of look at design patterns in personal life and just the commercial world, right? Again, I wasn't listening to Colonel Lytle because I am really effective at using my device to do my job, externally. And what we see is that it's still a green field for some of the applications in the DOD to get ported to the mobility devices, right? Not just telephones, but tablets. So our classified tablet pilot that we had was really an example of that, right? DOD leaders, they never worked a 9 to 5 ever, right, in history. And they expect that they can be just as effective while traveling at home, right, than they can be in the office.